All right, now let's get into the third example of the word problem or a percentage problem that you would need to know. So that is going to be 37 is 4% of what? Okay, so again, immediately, once I see the percent, I see 4. I know that's part of 100. I'm going to rewrite that as 4 out of 100. And then it's saying 37 is 4% of what? So 37 out of something. So 37 is going to be your part, and our unknown, our whole, is going to be our unknown, our variable, which we put here. But again, before I go and get into the cross product, ladies and gentlemen, what I simply want to do is reduce this. I know 4 divides into 4 one time, and 4 goes into 100. That's going to be a 25 times. And that's going to equal a 37 times x. Now, the cool thing here about this cross product is when I multiply, I already reduced this down to 1. So x is going to equal a 37 times a 25. So now I don't need to do long division. Relax. Now we just need to do 2-digit multiplication. Again, not going to work with our calculator. Here's the way that I like to do 2-digit multiplication. So what I'm going to do is a little bit different than the way that I learned it in grade school and the way that it's commonly properly taught. I like to go ahead and do multiplication 4 times. I do 30 times 20, which is going to be 600. I do 30 because that's in the 10 spot, right? I do 30 times 5, which is a 150. I do 20 times 7, which is a 140. And again, 2 represents the 20 part, right? And then I'll do my ones. Sorry, so I should explain this. So I did my 10s times my 10s, which is 20 times 30. I did my 10s times my 1s, 30 times 5. I did my 10s times my other one, which is 20 times 7. And then I'm going to do my 1s times my 1s, which is a 35. So that now I can just add vertically. So that's a 5, that'd be 9, that's a 12, and that's 6, 7, 8, 9. 925.